Immovable cultural property, a monument of culture of exceptional importance, invaluable building materials, the playful style of the facade, interior and the yard, a remarkable example of Art Nouveau architecture are all synonymous with the Raichl family palace in Subotica. Built in 1904 to serve as a family mansion and his personal office, it was Ferenc Raichl's masterpiece. He was working on the construction of two buildings simultaneously, his family home and the rental building next to it. The construction lasted a bit under 2 years due to the manufacture of the tiles and the numerous decorative elements on the building's front, all of which were made in the Jolnej ceramic factory in Peć and because of the demanding work on the interior. The newest, highest quality materials were used, and the best workshops were hired for woodworking and ironwork, mosaics, glass prisms, and plaster reliefs. Raichl invested all his knowledge and creativity into his home. The heart motif, common in Hungarian folk art, is applied symbolically here on every detail. However, the Reichels only lived in the palace for 4 years. The bankruptcy caused by great expenses and unpaid work forced them to leave their home and move to Szeged. There, Raichl reared 4 more Art Nouveau palaces. From 1912 onward, he lived in Budapest under the name Bernhausen Raichl, where he designed and painted but no other prominent edifices. After World War II, the palace was nationalized. In 1948, it was given to the Municipal Museum of Subotica, which adapted the rooms to its permanent exhibition, and since 1969, the building was housed the Modern Art Gallery Subotica. It became a protected monument of culture in 1973.